is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and let me show you something. They hire us to do some cleaning in this house. They're doing some restoration, removing a lot of water from one area that has mold in the kitchen. And let me show you some equipment, okay? This is a Dias Evolution, a large dehumidifier. Really good machine. This is on, and it's absorbing all the moisture from the house. And the line is right here from the machine to the duct, where it will drop all the water or moisture collected. Okay, takes time. There is two little hoses to remove the water, and there is another big machine by the brand Phoenix. I don't know if you can see that. This is an awesome, the best brand for the humidifier. Okay, there is a contained area, a wall zip. They open and they put some filtration there. And also there is another machine, okay, that is an air scrubber, that they absorb all the water, and they are filtrating the air. It's an air scrubber. The air is going into the cartridge, and then there is a blower. Let me close this. And there is a blower taking out the air that is purified. This is a wall zip, and that area is contained, is closed, so they can do the job. This is another area. There are close